VPG LoadPro. Everything you always wanted to know about overload protection systems, but were afraid to ask. What are the benefits of installing LoadPro? There are many reasons to install an overload protection system. Some of the primary ones are avoiding fines, protecting your license, and avoiding lawsuits if you're ever in a wreck. Also maximizing your load, loading to the maximum legal limit you can possibly haul. Why install a LoadPro overload protection system instead of a traditional deflection transducer or load cell weighing system? A couple of primary reasons. One is LoadPro is typically a third to a half of the cost of a weighing system. Second, LoadPro can easily be fitted to new and existing vehicles without any welding or special tools required. Will LoadPro work on both steel and air suspensions? Yes. LoadPro will work on steel suspensions, air suspensions, or a combination of both. Anything from 2-axle on up vehicles and truck-trailer combinations. Does LoadPro measure weight throughout the range, empty to full? LoadPro is designed to be accurate where it is needed most, when the vehicle is fully loaded. So when the vehicle is between 90 and 100% of its legal gross weight, the system is accurate to within 2.5% of that gross weight. Anything less than 90% is an indication only. Is LoadPro hard to install? No. LoadPro can be installed without any special tools and by your own in-house personnel. How long does LoadPro take to install? A typical 2-axle system can be installed within 4 hours. Some customers have been able to install them in under 2 hours. Do you need to make modifications to the vehicle to install LoadPro? No. LoadPro can easily be fitted to new or existing vehicles without any need for any modifications or welding to the vehicle. Thus, there is no fear of voiding the vehicle's warranty. How often do you need to calibrate LoadPro? Unlike other mechanical systems, LoadPro has no external moving parts, which means it is not affected by adverse conditions or environments. It is a fit and forget system without need for frequent calibration. Does LoadPro provide data logging or GPS tracking? No. LoadPro does provide telematics output to interface to third-party software that would provide these functions. How many models of LoadPro do you offer? Currently 2, the LoadPro 1430 and LoadPro 1160. The LoadPro 1430 is for 2-axle vehicles, while the LoadPro 1160 is for 2 and above axle vehicles and truck-trailer combinations. Also, the LoadPro 1430 has a dash mount meter, while the LoadPro 1160 has both a dash mount and DIN mount meter option. When was LoadPro invented? The first generation of LoadPro systems were sold in Europe in 2012 in response to demands from the waste sector for a cost-effective overload monitoring system. The latest release of LoadPro was launched in the USA in 2018, designed to work with all combinations of vans, trucks, and trailers. How many LoadPro systems have been sold? Since launch in 2012, over 20,000 systems have been sold worldwide in Europe, Asia, Australia, South America, and North America. Call us today on how to get a free demo and see if LoadPro is the right solution for your fleet. LoadPro. Maximize your legal load and avoid overload fines. Thanks for watching this brief video on LoadPro. My contact information is below. Thanks again and have a great day.